Hey guys, hope you all are fine, shine and beautiful. This is your host RJ the Sheikh and you guys are watching SHAREBEARS. So today I'm gonna show you the evergreen Mirage, which is going to be closed on 17th of July. This casino was here almost 65-70 years. Everybody knows the Mirage if they ever come to Las Vegas. And this is the most famous volcano show where you can see this waterfall, and hopefully it's going to start in a couple of minutes and I'm going to show you that waterfall and the volcano show as well. So guys, the show is about to start. The volcano show, the Mirage, Las Vegas. It's going to be closed on 17th. So guys, because of it's going to close on 17th, so you guys probably can see there's a lot of people every single where just to be watching it. That was the one and only volcano show of the Mirage, which is going to be closed on 17th of July. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, and if you guys want some other videos like that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and as well as please do comment down below which place you want me to go and visit for you guys. Thank you and adios.